Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the digital monitor function on the Allen's H1. Digital monitor lets your radio receive and play all diamond traffic on the current frequency, regardless of talk group or color code. On the Allen's H1, there are 3 digital monitor modes: monitor different color codes, monitor different contacts, or monitor both at the same time, an ID plus any color codes. In this video, we will focus on the digital monitor and ID. Let's begin with the normal digital communication between Allen's HD2 and Allen's H1. Right now, they can talk to each other, which indicates that they have the same frequency, same contact ID, 599, and the same color code.
CQ.
Now let's simulate not knowing the contact ID on the Allen's HD2. Change the HD2 contact ID from 599 to 801, while keeping the same color code. When Allen's HD2 transmits, you will see the H1's reception icon flashing and the green LED on. This means the channel is currently available, but the contact IDs or color codes doesn't match, so they cannot communicate. On the Allen's H1, open digital monitor switch and set it to on. Then go to digital monitor ID and select any ID. Now transmit from Allen's HD2 again. Remember, it's using 801, and they have the same color code now. You will see the Allen's H1 now shows 801 as the received ID, changed from 599 to 801. At the same time, we can watch digital hang-up function in action. After Allen's H1 receives a digital signal, if you press PTT case within a hang-up time, it will transmit using the same ID it just received. If you wait past the hang-up time, the H1 reverts to its original transmit ID. Here, that's 599, and the hang time, which you can adjust in the programming software. And that's the digital monitor, an ID function on the Allen's H1. I hope this video helps you better understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more radio tips and tutorials. And I'm Julia. See you next time.